Today I have this 11.5-inch circular board. I'm going to use 2 of them. You could pick these up at Lowe's. You can grab these at Hobby Lobby, probably Michael's as well. I know at Lowe's they're not too expensive. I want to say maybe $7, but probably at Hobby Lobby you can get a better deal on their 40% off their wood. And I'm going to start by painting the first one with Antique Villa by Wise Owl. And I did paint the front and the back. And the second one I'm going to paint black. And again, I did paint the front and the back. And I found this little game at the Dollar Tree. It's called Brain Teaser, and it's made of little wooden squares. There's a darker square and then a lighter colored square. And I'm going ahead and I'm going to cut the elastic inside of this particular game. And now I just have a bunch of square beads. They have 2 holes in each bead. So I'm going to line mine up around the edge of my board, making sure that none of the holes are exposed to the exterior part of the board. I first wanted to just go around and make sure I could go all the way around the board without any issue, without any large gaps. And it worked out fine. And then I placed a handful of them in the center. This is the top of my black board. And now I'm taking some Elmer's wood glue and an art brush, and I'm just painting the glue on the bottom of each square and gluing them to the blackboard. I'm going to allow that to dry. Once fully dried, I went back to the Elmer's glue and I painted it on the top of each bead. And then I'm going to place my white board on top of that. And you want your top part of the board showing. I'm just saying it in that fashion. Either the top and the bottom really look exactly the same. But now this is the top. I'm going to be using my Wise Owl matte varnish. And I'm going to apply 1 coat of the varnish all over the top. And I'm going to grab the sides a little bit. And then when that dries, I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to do the same on the black side. And again, I want to hit the edges. And now I'm going to find the center of my board once this all dries, just using a chalk pencil. And I have this very hard, sturdy black planter that I'm going to use some E6000 and attach to the bottom and allow that to dry. And now you have this standing shelf. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and now mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.